So, what do we do, Dan?
Engie, Benjy, engine man. Engie, Benjy, Jollop and Dan. Engie, Benjy, engine man. Engie, Benjy, Jollop and Dan. If you're an astronaut or a pilot, truck driver, a farmer, fisherman, motorbike rider, he can make your engine go. A bus driver, he can make your engine go. It's all about Engie, Benjy, engine man. Teamwork. Engie, Benjy, Jollop and Dan. Engie, Benjy, engine man. Engie, Benjy, Jollop and Dan.
Hi, Engie.
Oh, hi there, team. Me and Dan are just clearing up. We've been really busy.
Dan.
Jollop's supposed to be helping too, but I think he's hiding somewhere. Can you see him?
Yes.
Where?
Right there, behind you.
I don't see him. Where is he?
There, under the blanket.
There you are, Jollop. We've found you. Ha, thanks, team. Hey, looks like Boat's got an emergency. Let's go, team.
What's the matter?
Hey there, Fisherman Finn. What's the matter with Boat?
Hi, Engie Benjy. Boat just doesn't seem her wee self today.
Well, let's take a look. There's a problem here without a doubt. Let's look around and check it out. Spin the screws. Hear the hum. Take the temperature. I think I see what's wrong. Boat's got the sea sneezes.
Oh, no! My poor wee Boaty!
Don't worry, Finn. She'll be fine in no time if she keeps nice and warm and she gets some rest. You really need to get some rest, Boat. If you keep playing flipper ball, you'll never get better. Oh no! Boat sneezed herself right out of the harbour.
What? Boaty, where are you?
Come on, everyone. We'd better see where she's gone. There she is.
Oh, there you are, Boat.
Boat, are you okay?
Oh, Boaty does love to play flipper ball.
Hey, Boat, take it easy. You've got to slow down and rest, or you'll never get over your... sea sneezers. Go, Dan.
Boat? In my field? Oh!
Hey, look, plane. It's spaceship. Hang on. That's not spaceship. It's boat. Ah!
Look, gang, she's landed on top of Plains Mountain, and it's cold up there.
Engie Benjy, I didn't know boat could fly.
Boat's got a bad case of the sea sneezers, Pilot Pete. And if she sneezes now, she might fall off and really hurt herself.
Hey, Hey, we'll have to catch her. I've got a net.
Good idea, but I think we need a bigger net. Oh, perfect! Get ready, Dan.
There she goes.
Where's Boat gone now?
Looks like Boat's sneezes are getting worse. Come on, team. Let's go and find her. Oh, your sea sneezes have got worse, haven't they?
Oh, dear.
Poor Boat. Are you ready to take some rest now?
Hey, she's ready to rest, Engie, Benjy. But that water, icy cold. She'll never get warm in that.
If only we could drain out all of the cold water. But how? Nice try, Jollop, but I don't think even you could drink that much.
Hey, tickle my tunas. This'll do it.
Of course! That's the chain and plug that keeps all the water in the harbour.
Hey, if we pull it out, we can empty the harbour. But it'll take some pulling.
Come on, gang.
We can't move it.
Hey, can you help us?
Yes!
You can? Brilliant! If you shout, pull, 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 maybe it'll help us pull the plug out. Are you ready?
Yes!
Go! Pull! 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 Hey, we did it! Good work, team.
Hey for the plug. Hey for the draining. Hey for helping us to do it.
All we need now is to make Boat nice and warm. Not now, Jollop, I'm thinking. Oh, I get it. We could wrap Boat up in the blanket. Then she'll be nice and warm, won't she, Dan?
Dan. Hey! Are you all snug and cozy now, Boat?
Oh, bouncy bolts. Looks like one blanket's not really big enough. Great idea, Dan. I'll phone around and see if anyone else can lend us a hand. Hello? We need your help.
Oh, yes, don't mind helping one bit.
Hey, Engie Benjy, look at Boat. She's in a sea of blankets. That's funny. Oh.
I reckon just one more blanket and she'll be as warm as toast.
She can have planes. But where am I going to put it, Engie Benjy?
Oh, there must be a space we've missed somewhere. Can you see a space that still needs a blanket?
Yes!
Where?
Right there!
Oh, yeah, right there. Ha, thanks, team. Go on then, Pete. Now, Boat's all nice and warm, and she'll be better in no time. Thanks, everybody.
Hey! Oh, yeah, Spaceship and I are happy to help.
Oh, yes, don't mind helping one bit.
Hey for the blankets. resting. My wee boatie will be playing flipper ball in no time.
Boat's sounding better already, isn't she, Jollop? Jollop?
Hey, Engie! Look at Jollop!
Oh, Jollop! Vroom, vroom!